Google Analytics. Today's topic is on Google Analytics. Google Analytics is one of the most powerful tools that I have come across in the last 15 years since we've started working on internet marketing. What kind of visitors come to my site? Where are they coming from? How long are they staying on my site? Why they are staying on my site? What page do they like? Depends on how long they're staying on which page. Which is the last page, exit page, which is the last page that they come to my, that they visit my site before leaving. And what are my goals? All these can be defined and all this information can be studied on a daily, hourly, minutely basis on Google Analytics. There are many other tools available like Omniture and many other tools, paid tools, non-paid tools. But for 90% of the companies and mostly small businesses, Google Analytics is more than enough. It's a very simple way to integrate Google Analytics into your website. There's a specific code which comes through the Webmaster Tools, and that can be integrated into your into your website on every page. And then every time you go to your Google Analytics account, however the visitors are communicating with your website, all that information comes very easily. We're going to show you a brief slide or a presentation where you're going to see how Google Analytics actually works. Now, Google Analytics, there's some examples where some of our clients have made sea changes which were not possible before Google Analytics. Now, for example, I will not name the company, but there is this hotel that we've been working with. On an average, they spend about 50 to 60,000 rupees in Indian money, which is about $1,000 a day on internet marketing, on PPC AdWords. Then they have, and that accounts for about 60% of their internet, of their paid search. They also get a lot of search from their organic site. Now, which visitor is coming from where? Google Analytics tells you the place where your customers are coming from, the source where your client is coming from. Now, a lot of companies come to us and say, once you've already implemented Google Analytics, once you've told us these are our customers are already coming to us, why do we need a professional company? Why do we need a Google certified company like Internet Moguls, or why do we need any other company? Well, your customers are changing on a daily basis. The customers coming on your website are changing. And I'll give you an example to explain that. For example, if you're a travel agent in New Delhi, and it's May in New Delhi, considerably hot, during the hot summer season, there are school holidays. So who are the customers that your website is targeting? Maybe parents and their children who are going on, who would go for domestic vacations to Bombay, Goa, Manali, Sikkim, the south of India, different parts. But your same travel website in the month of October is not at all looking for these children or their parents, because they are not traveling during those times. Because it's Diwali, everybody likes to stay next to the home. At that time, you're looking for foreign customers who are coming from different parts of the world. These are your customers for your website. So in a couple of months, your audience is completely changed. So your website optimization now has to be done for those people if it's already not done. Or more information has to be done for those customers where your website is changed, for whom the website is changed. Pictures, videos, everything has to be changed. Information, content, articles. Social media has to say a different, has to sing a different language during this time. So it is a constant process. Like, you cannot have a chartered accountant or any other professional working for you just 1 month in the year. You have to have your books of accounts ready on a daily basis so that everything works perfectly. Similarly, an expert professional certified internet marketing company is like your partner if you want to get anywhere online. And it has to be a monthly and ongoing effort with them. They understand your site, you understand your site, you understand which is the audience, you understand how the traffic is growing. And if you visit our site www.internetmoguls.ca, you will be able to find out more information about how Google Analytics and how Google certified companies can help your business.